Hey there! Have you ever seen these letters ga, na, da, and wondered, what are they? Today, we're going back in time to discover Hangul, the Korean alphabet, created by a king. Hangul is the writing system used for the Korean language. Before Hangul was made, only a few people could write using difficult Chinese characters. So, in 1443, King Sejong the Great created a brand new writing system for his people. He called it
훈민정음
meaning the correct sounds for teaching the people. Back then, reading and writing was a skill only the rich and powerful had. But King Sejong said, a wise man can learn it before the morning is over, and a fool can learn it in 10 days. He designed Hangul to be simple, logical, and scientific. Each Hangul letter was designed to match how your mouth moves when you speak. That's why it's beautiful and smart. Hangul has 14 consonants and 10 vowels, and when you combine them, they form syllable blocks like this. The vowels are based on the universe, sky, earth, and human. Simple shapes that build every sound in Korean. That's why Hangul is called the most logical writing system ever created. Next time, we'll learn the basic Korean letters together.